Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload PDF on ChatGPT. So let's get started. First of all, you could open ChatGPT, and once you do so, you'll be redirected to a new chat. So over here at the bottom, you'll be able to see Ask Anything, and right next to it, you'll be able to see a plus icon. So click on this plus icon and you'll be able to see numerous options. So you're going to click on this option that says Add Files, by which you can analyze or summarize any file. So you're going to click on Add Files and you're going to navigate which file you wish to add. For example, I'm going to add this one and then click on Open. Once you do so, it's going to take a while to upload the file, and you'll be able to see a circular loader over here. Once done, you'll be able to see that the file has been uploaded, and you can simply type anything down. For example, I'm going to type in summarize this for me and then press send. And now ChatGPT is going to read this PDF and it's going to summarize it for you. And that is basically how you can upload any PDF file to ChatGPT. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.